Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best convertible top cleaners that are currently available on the market. Whether you're dealing with bird droppings, tree sap, or just everyday grime, these products are designed to help you keep your convertible top looking its best. I've done the research and testing, so you don't have to, and below you'll find a range of options for every budget. Remember, all the product links are in the description. So let's dive right in. Coming in at number 4 is the Protex Convertible Soft Top Care Kit. This complete care kit includes both a canvas cleaner and a waterproofer, making it a two-step solution for maintaining your convertible top. The cleaner is formulated to tackle common contaminants like bird droppings, road salt, and tree sap, while the waterproofer provides a durable shield against moisture and environmental damage. Together, they work to clean, restore, and protect your convertible top. The product is well designed, with the cleaner and waterproofer packaged in easy-to-use bottles. The instructions are clear, and the application process is straightforward. However, it's worth noting that the cleaner must be applied in cool or overcast conditions to ensure it doesn't dry too quickly, which can be inconvenient. Performance-wise, the cleaner does a great job of removing dirt and grime, while the waterproofer helps to extend the life of your convertible top by adding a protective layer. While the Protex kit is effective, it's best suited for dedicated car enthusiasts who are willing to invest the time and effort into a multi-step cleaning and protection process. Pros include its comprehensive cleaning and protection features, while cons are the time-intensive application and the need for specific weather conditions. If you're looking for all-in-one care and don't mind the extra effort, this could be a worthy investment. At number 3, we have the Griot's Garage Convertible Soft Top Cleaner Spray. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $18.13. Despite its affordability, this cleaner delivers powerful cleaning action that's tough on bird droppings, tree sap, and stubborn grime. It's safe for use on both vinyl and cloth convertible tops, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of vehicles. The design of the bottle is ergonomic, and the spray nozzle provides even coverage, making application a breeze. The formula itself is dye-free and residue-free, ensuring a clean finish without any leftover streaks. What really sets this product apart is its ability to leave your convertible top looking fresh while also adding a light, pleasant scent. However, it does lack protective features like UV resistance or waterproofing, which some users might find limiting. In terms of value, Griot's Garage is a fantastic option for those on a budget who still want quality performance. It's ideal for light to moderate cleaning tasks and is especially great for vintage car owners who want a gentle yet effective cleaner. The pros include its affordability, ease of use, and effective cleaning power, while the cons are its lack of protective features. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable option, this is it. Coming in at number 2 is the 303 Products Convertible Fabric Top Cleaning and Care Kit. This kit is specifically designed for fabric convertible tops and includes both a cleaner and a fabric guard. The cleaner is highly effective at removing stains, dirt, and debris, while the fabric guard restores water and stain resistance, adding years of life to your convertible top. Recommended by leading outdoor fabric manufacturers, this kit is a premium choice for fabric top owners. The build quality of the bottles is sturdy, and the included instructions are easy to follow. The cleaning solution is residue-free, ensuring your fabric top looks bright and fresh without any leftover streaks or film. The fabric guard is particularly impressive, as it not only restores water repellency, but also provides added protection against UV rays and environmental damage. This two-step process does require a bit of time, but the results are well worth the effort. If you own a fabric convertible top and want to keep it in pristine condition, this kit is a standout choice. The only major downside is its higher price point and the fact that it's less versatile for vinyl tops. Pros include its exceptional cleaning and protective capabilities, while cons are its limited application to fabric tops only. If you're looking for premium care for your fabric convertible, this is a must-have. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the 303 Products 300-510 Convertible Vinyl Top Cleaning and Care Kit. This premium option is designed specifically for vinyl convertible tops and includes both a cleaner and an automotive protectant. The cleaner is incredibly effective at removing stubborn stains, while the protectant restores the original color of your top and provides superior protection against UV rays and environmental damage. The design of the kit is top-notch, with a well-thought-out combination of cleaning and protection. The cleaner works quickly and efficiently, cutting through dirt and grime with ease, while the protectant leaves a sleek, polished finish that not only looks great, but also extends the life of your vinyl top. The biodegradable formula is a nice touch for environmentally conscious consumers. Though it's the most expensive product on our list at $31.52. The 303 Products 300-510 kit offers unmatched performance and long-term value. It's perfect for car owners who want to invest in the longevity of their vinyl convertible tops. The pros include its exceptional stain removal, UV protection, and color restoration, while the cons are its higher price point and its focus on vinyl tops only. If you want the best of the best for your vinyl convertible top, this is the product to choose. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the best convertible top cleaner for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you've got any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.